And the guy was like, oh, goodbye. Bam. Oh, yeah, Got that? Attention. Yes, sir. You guys are going on your first mission. Get ready. And then I climbed up on the turret and they started shooting down the droids. Sir, can I get those guys to stop? Give them like a one shot. Wait, we're here! We're here! Yay! Oh no. This is not good. Boom. Ha ha. Sir, you should look at this. It's a dead body. I'll be there in a second. Ooh, you're right. There is a body in here. Looks like it came from the Jedi apprentice whose master was killed. Oh, guys, there's a droid over there. Get ready for battle! Oh no. Surrender now. We might spare you. No way. We can take ya. Can't we, guys? I'm not sure. Push on men! Take them down! It's only me now. Everyone else dead. Okay, I can do that. Just me now. First one to fire lives.